To download Google Chrome to your desktop or laptop, you will start by going to whatever the default web browser on your computer is. So if you are using a Windows computer, it might be Microsoft Edge. You can see Microsoft Edge down here. So I will open up Microsoft Edge and I will search for Chrome. Often you will get prompted to continue using the default browser. I am looking for Google Chrome, download Chrome today. I will click on that. And what I'm going to do is click download Chrome. And I notice that it downloaded the setup for Google Chrome. Now that I've downloaded it, I will follow the steps. I will open the file, I will allow, and then I will install. Once I have installed Google Chrome, you will see this icon on your desktop. So it will appear on the screen of your desktop, and then I can click on Chrome and begin using Chrome for my web browser.